Hello guys, so welcome back to my CapCut video editing tutorial. So this video is a continuation of the CapCut beginner to pro editing series. So in this video, first of all, I'm going to show you how you can add overlay to your video. So this is your main clip on your editing timeline, and let's assume you want to add an overlay. So overlay is you placing another video, images or elements on top of your video. To add an overlay, you just have to drag and drop another video and place it where you want your overlay to stay. So the overlay is meant to So the overlay is meant to cover the full screen while the main clip is still under. So that's the purpose of overlay. So this is just basically how you can add stock videos to your video as an overlay. So let's assume you want to add an icon. Just click on import and import the icon. So I've already added an icon to my media. So let's assume you want to add it as an overlay to your video. What you just have to do is to drag and drop. So to cut a clip, I already showed you how to cut a clip in my previous video in this series. So just move your timeline to the part where you want to cut it, and you can use the shortcut key W, or you click on delete right. Then let's position it on this layer very well. So I drag it to that layer. So we've added an icon, but if you notice, this icon has like a background. The background is carrying, I think, if you notice, this bob icon has like a little background. So to remove the background, you're just going to go to this right section of your clip. Then you go to video. Then from basic, you switch to remove BG. So once you switch to remove BG, you can just click on auto remover. So once you click on auto remover, all those stuffs in the background will clean up. So this is just basically how to add any element as an overlay to your video. So that's just basically how to do that. So how to animate with the text templates. So to animate with the text templates, just highlight the clip you want to animate and go to this right section of the editing layout. Then you click on animation. Then let's assume you want to use slide up for this, and just click on slide up. Yes, slide right. Yes, fading. So these are animation templates that you can use. Slide up. So that's just basically how to use the animation templates. So another thing I also love to show you is how you can speed ramp your video. So let's assume you want to make this full overlay clip, this video, you want to make it fast. So you can just highlight the clip. So then come here to this section to your right, to the right top of your editing layout. Then from video, you can switch to speed. Then you can increase the speed based on how fast you want it. So if you play the clip, you notice more like a faster movement.
The demand for data matters. If you are
Another thing I also want to show you is how to create compound clip. Compound clip is just more like combining one or two clips and compounding them as one. That's just basically what compound clip means. So let's assume you want to compound clip this part of the video. You can just highlight it with your mouse. Use your mouse to drag the part you want to compound clip, then right click, and you're going to see compound clip, and you can use the shortcut key Alt G. So it will make the editing timeline just one. So it will make the clip just like one. And so let's assume you want to edit something in the video, instead of you undoing the compound clip, so you can just double click it. So if you double click it, you are going to have the layers of the video you compound clip inside the inner compound clip. So from here, you can just edit anything you want. Let's say I want to change the animation of this bulb. You can do that. You can do that. Yeah, so I've been able to show you how you can add overlay to your video, how you can add b-rolls, icons to your video. I've also showed you how you can speed ramp your video. I showed you how you can remove background from anything. So let's assume you import anything. Okay, for example, let's assume you want to remove the background from this man. So all you just have to do is to let me cut the clip here. I just want to show you again. All you just have to do is to go to video section. Then from the video section, you go to remove BG. So from the remove BG, you click on auto remover. Wait for it to process to 100%. So now you can see that this video has no background again. So that's basically how to remove background in your video. So most times when you remove background like this, my subsequent tutorial, I'm also going to show you how you can put an element at the back of your main character. So using this remove BG feature, using this remove background feature. So okay, let me undo that. So I've also showed you how to use animation templates here. So let's assume there's those transition here and you decide to use animation templates. So you go to your animation section, you can use this zoom one animation. So you can see how the character zoom out. So that's the animation template that you can always use. So I also showed you how to do compound clip. I showed you how we did compound clip for this first part of the video. So guys, that will be the end of this tutorial. My subsequent tutorial that will be next to this, I'm going to be showing you how you can generate caption and also how you can edit and format your text like a pro, how you can add custom text to your CapCut and so on. So guys, I'm going to see my next tutorial.